How are you? How was the day? This is Mr. Kishore from DAV Louis Vickert Bharati Vidya Mandir from AP Zone 2. Welcome to online classes. In last session, we have discussed about exercise 8.1 completely from basic proportionality theorem as well as the converse of basic proportionality theorem. I hope you could understand well. So, with that spirit, we will enter into similar triangles exercise 8.2. Without wasting our time, let's have a glance. Yes. So, before entering into 8.2, we have to know the basics of similar triangles. In introduction of similar triangles, I have given whole concepts. Once again, I would like to recapitulate. In first session, we have discussed the difference between the congruent triangles as well as similar triangles. Here is the part of similar triangles. If you take any two triangles, triangle ABC as well as triangle PQR. So if we want to find out the similarity characteristics, the first thing is corresponding sides are proportion. Corresponding sides mean AB, PQ. The two are corresponding sides. So those are proportion. Proportion means what? Ratio. And BC and QR, the both are corresponding sides. That means AB by PQ, BC by QR, and AC by PR. This is the first characteristic. The second characteristic is ratio of all three pairs of corresponding sides will be equal. So the ratio means AB by BC equals to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So that is the second next concept. The ratios should be equal. So these two properties are very important, and with respect angles, the corresponding angles should be equal. That means angle A equals to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. I hope you could understand. Yes, in this slide you could easily understand regarding the similar triangles. So this is triangle ABC as well as PQR. So these two are similar. So if we want to prove as a similar, I told you corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. So that is the first basic thing. And with respect angles, I told you angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. So corresponding angles are equal. These two are very important. You just keep it in your mind. In congruency, corresponding sides are equal, but whereas in similarity, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Proportion means ratio. You just keep it in your mind. That is very important. So entire problems based on this only. So how many types of similarities are there? You just see that the types of similarities here, as usual, like congruency, here also AAA similarity is there, but in congruency AAA congruency is not there, and SSS congruency is there as well as similarity also there, and SAS similarity property is there as well as a congruency criterion also there. So in any two triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, so it should be similarity. The two triangles, the one is similar to 2, and here this is 1 and this is 2. The side, the similarity test, this side by this side equals to this side by this side equal to this side by this side. So the three sides should be proportion and should be equal, then automatically SSS will be applicable. Now two sides are proportion as well as one angle should be equal. So this angle equal, and these two are proportion and these two will be proportion. So it can leads to SAS property. So in these properties, you need not go for AAA property. If you search out AA property, automatically the third angle will be equal by the angle sum property of a triangle. So these all are we have discussed in our basic video I have uploaded in previous. So I hope you could understand. Yes. Now entering into exercise 8.2. So I told you before, while you are attempting the geometry problem, you should have a confidence on you. So if you believe yourself, you can easily do. So most of the students has told to me geometry is a very difficult geometry, we can't. But if you think it, the geometry is very easier compared to arithmetic part. In arithmetic, all the problems are connecting with lengthy calculations, whereas geometry, if you know theorems, if you know properties, if you know corollaries, automatically you can easily apply. The thing is, in which problem, which property will you apply, in which what kind of in which area your corollaries will be applied. That is very very important. So you think, and you, if you practice, you can easily reach your destination. So all the best, children. So exercise 8.1, the first question is for you. Get ready. See the first question, you just read the question very well. In triangle, in the given figure, angle ADE, where is ADE? Just see that. So this is a triangle. Once you go A, B, C, and D is here as well as E is here. Yes. So in that, what are the conditions given? ADE equals to angle B. Yes, these two are equal. It is given that. So what we are going to prove? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Yes, okay. So you just see that. First, you just take in triangle A, B, C, and another triangle A, D, E. So first of all, you have to find out the similarities. So you can easily say that it is given that in triangle ABC, angle, the condition is given, angle ADE equals to angle B. So angle B is there in angle ABC, that means triangle ABC, and angle ADE is there in triangle ADE. So in comparison, so I have taken one angle. It is given in the problem. I didn't do anything. So it is given in the problem. Just I have taken as a given. And you have to find out one more similarity. Already one angle we have taken. If we find out one more angle, with the help of AA criterion, we can say that both triangles will be equal. So what is that? Can you identify? Yes, angle A. So angle A is common for the both. If you observe that, in triangle ABC, angle A is there. In triangle AED or ADE, angle A also there. In this small triangle also there. In this big triangle also there. So this is one more angle, common angle. It's common, you write. So by the AA criterion, no need to go for one more angle. If you go with, no problem, you have to apply angle sum property of a triangle. Automatically the other angle should be equal. So by AA criterion, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. I hope you could understand. Once you go, this is only analysis. The way of presentation should be needed, because based on the presentation you will get a marks. So that's what, how will you present, you just see that. Yes, how did we analyze in our previous session? Like that only. Here in triangle ABC, And in triangle AED, what are the common qualities? Yes, angle A equal to common because angle A is there in triangle AED as well as angle A is there in ABC also. Yes. Yeah. The second one, no need to do anything. It is given in the question. So in triangle ABC, angle B, in triangle AED, angle D is given. So the first one is a common property, the second one is a given, and no need to find the third one. If you go, you can write directly triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by AA congruency criterion. If you write, you will get a full score. No problem at all. But you are in the beginning, you just go with a third one also. Angle C equals to angle AED by the angle sum property of a triangle. So if you go with that, you could reach your destination. I hope you could understand the first problem. Now again we will go back to our previous one. And second question also there. What is the second question? If AD equal to 3.8, yes, in this triangle the values are given. This is 3.8 and AE is 3.6, yes, and BE equals to 2.1 centimeters and BC equal to 4.2 centimeters. So what you are going to find? DE. Yes. So definitely you will get a little bit confused. How will we reach your destination? So you just think it. Already you have proven. What you have proven? Triangle A B C. This is very important, children. You just listen carefully because this application should apply in entire similarity chapter. ADE. Yes. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE has proved. So, how will you write the equal? You know that in a similar triangles, the corresponding sides should be equal. The ratios of a corresponding sides should be equal. So, how will you? You just see, I would like to go with one technique. AB, first two letters you take, and here AD. So, AB by AD over equal to, now the second and third, BC by DE, BC by DE, and the first and last, here also first and last, AC by AE. If you follow this pattern, most of the questions you can reach very easily. The most of the similarity based problems have followed this pattern only. So the first you take the two letters AB and here also the two letters. Don't take first two letters here and second and third here. Then you will get definitely you will attempt the wrong. So don't go with that. So once again I would like to explain. The first two letters AB by and AD, AB by AD equals to second and third BC by DE and first and last AC by AE. So now what you wanted to find? ED. So ED, where is ED? Yes, you have to find out this portion. So BC by DE. So ED is there because our destination we are going to find ED. And you know AB value? Yes, AB related values are there in that question and AD also value is there. So if you select these two from out of 3, if you select these two, you can easily find the DE value. So that is our analysis. Once you will see the answer, simply just substitute the values, you can easily get. I hope you could understand the analyze. Yes, you just see that. So AD is given 3.8 and AE is given 3.6 and BE is given 4.2 and DE you would like to find. Yes. So already in first problem we have proved that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. I told you the technique, like that only. You just see the first two letters by the first two letters AB, and here also first to AD, the first one clear, and second and third BC by DE, yes, and first and last AC by AC by AE. It's wrong. It's AE. You just keep it in your mind. It's a AE, not AD. Please, children, please change it. AC by AE. It's a print mistake is there. Once again, AB by AD. That's it. And BC by DE. It's okay. And the third one, AC by AE. The print has given mistake AE. You change it into AE. Yes, find out. Ratios of corresponding sides are equal. You know that. Simply you just apply the values. So out of these three ratios, which two will you take? So your destination is find out DE. So it must be you have to take this BC by DE, and AB by DB values also you have. So what is the value of AB? So AB is divided into two parts. AE is given 3.6 and BE is given 2.1. If you add the both, you will get a AB value. So that's what 3.6 plus 2.1. And AD is directly given the value 3.8. So 3.8 here. So now you just check out what is the BC value. BC is given that 4.2. You write 4.2 here. Now your destination, you are going to find the unknown value DE. So 4.2 by DE. If you add 3.6 plus 2.1, you will get a 5.7. Now you just do cross multiplication. DE into 5.7 equal to 4.2 into 3.8 by 5.7. You just do calculation, you will get 2.8 centimeters. I hope you could understand. So first you analyze the problem, then automatically you can reach your destination. So in first question you have two problems. The two problems I hope you could understand. Yeah, so this is the second problem. Just see that. Yeah. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. So you just take two triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R. Okay. So in two triangles, the perimeter mean the total sum of the boundaries AB plus BC plus AC, and here also PQ plus QR plus PR, and here this side 30 is given and here 20. Of course this is the bigger, this is the smaller, that's what you write 30 here, 20, whatever it may be, no problem. You just it's a rough work analyzing, don't compare it. So this is 30 centimeters perimeter and here 20 centimeters perimeter is given. Yes, okay. Then if one side of a first triangle is 12 centimeters, yes, then determine the corresponding side of a second triangle. What is the corresponding? PQ. For AB, corresponding side is PQ. So you are going to find PQ. So here your analyzing is clear, but you have to know one property. So here the property is given. In two similar triangles, already given, it is a two similar triangles. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. In two similar triangles, the ratio of two perimeters of a two similar triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides over your destination is very clearly you can reach. So 30 is to 20 equals to 12 is to x. You just say this is x. Yeah, You know, in lower classes you just know that product of middles equal to product of extremes. So x into 30 equals to 20 into 12. You can easily find the x value. That's it. This is our analysis. I hope you could understand once you go through the problem. Yeah. So triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So the two are given. So the two are similar. It is given that, and the perimeters triangle ABC, it is given 30 and it is given 30 and it is given 20 centimeters. Yes. Now one of the side is here 12 centimeters. Here you don't know. You are going to find PQ. PQ mean if you take the side AC, you are going to find the value of PR, because the corresponding side, one of the side I have taken I assume AB is a one of the side. That's what we are going to find the PQ. If you take BC as a 12, you are going to find QR. If you take AC as a 12, you are going to take PR. So that's it. So here PQ you are going to find, that is nothing but a X. So according to property, the ratios of perimeters 3:2 and the lengths also in proportion. So 30 is to 20, 12 is to x. You just do the product of middles equals to product of extremes. You can easily find the answer. I hope you could understand. Yes, this is the problem. You just listen. First you read the question very clearly. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. So this is very important. First, these kind of problems you have to know how to draw a diagram. That is very important. Here I can find the two objects. The first one is a girl, height of a girl, and the girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from a base of a lamp post. So, and one more lamp post also there, that is, yeah, it's a lamp, it's a girl, because the girl is moving away now, that's what. So it is given that 90 centimeters height of a girl. So the girl height is 90 centimeters. If you want to change into meters, 0.9. Let us go with the centimeters, no problem. And the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Yes, nice. The lamp post is 3.6 meters. 3.6 mean, you know, 360 centimeters. Yes. So here is a lamp. You just go with A, B, C. The girl has passes from here to here, B to C. Already you just take as a E then. This is a C. Okay. A, B, C and D, and this is E. Okay. So the girl has started here and reached here. So how much distance she has traveled, we don't know. So the speed is given in the problem 1.2 meter per second. 1.2 meter per second. So meter per second means it's a speed. You know that speed equals to distance by time. And you are going to find the distance, how much distance she has traveled. So the distance equal to speed into time. You just do cross multiplication. So distance equal to speed into time. What is the speed? The speed is given 1.2 and the time 4 seconds. So 4.2 into 4, 4.8, 4.8 meters. So 4.8 meters here. So BC you got it. So 4.8 meters mean 480 centimeters. Yes, everything is ready now. Now this is the way of drawing the diagram and wherever possible values you want to post, you just post it according to the question. You just analyze and you keep the values in that particular diagram. Yeah. So how did we analyze? Like that only it is given that it's the lamp post. AB is a lamp post and CD is a girl. The height of a girl is 90 centimeters, mean 0.9 meters, of course 90 centimeters, and the post is the height of a post is 3.6 meters, mean 360 centimeters, 360 centimeters. Yeah, the girl has started from B to C. How much distance she has traveled from B to C? How will you go? Because the girl speed is given 1.2 meter per second. So you know that speed equals to distance by time. Now we need a distance because B to C we are going to travel. We are going to find out the how much distance she has traveled. So now the distance equal to speed into time. So the speed is given 1.2 and the time is given 4. So 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters mean you just change into centimeters, 480 centimeters. Yes, this is given. Now the question is if the girl is here, girl is standing backside of a big lamp. So you know that here the bulb is there, here object is there, automatically the shadow will be coming in front of her. Am I right? Because here is the bulb is there, here the girl is there. Bulb is here, the girl is here. So automatically the shadow will come front portion. The shadow is nothing but a CE. Understand? So the question is find the length of her shadow. You are going to find CE value. We would like to find the value, the length of a shadow of a girl. I hope you could understand. So we got all the values. Simply if you observe that, we can easily find out triangle ABE and triangle DCE, the both are similar because it's a 90, it's a 90 and E is common. It's a 90, it's a 90. Understand? And the E is common in the both triangles. In triangle ABE, angle E is there. In triangle DCE, angle E is there. So by AA similarity criterion, you can say that the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle, the both are similar. So after getting this similar, you just go with how did I say? Like that you go ABC, triangle ABC and triangle D, ABC, DCE, DCE. The way should be exactly how did you write ABC, DCE. Then you can apply AB by DC, BC by CE and AC by DE. Then you can easily reach your destination very easily. I hope you could understand the analyzing. Just see the question. Answer. Here the answer is given. How did we discuss? The lamp post AB height 3.6. So just converted into centimeters 360. The speed of a girl 1.2 meter per second. The distance traveled in 4 seconds. The time also given 4 seconds. She traveled with uniform speed 1.2. So speed into time you got 480 centimeters. So after that the height of a girl also given 90. This is the given data. This is only the given data in the question. Now let the length of a shadow at a distance 4.8 from a lamp of a post. This is you are going to find the length, that is x. Let it be x. From the figure already we have discussed the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle, the both are similar, because here 90 is there, here 90 degrees and 90 degrees, and the E is common for the both triangles. That's what, from AA similarity you can say that the two triangles are similar. Now you just observe what I told you, one technique like that. You take first two AB by DC over, and second and third BE by CA S over, and next first and last 1 and 3, so AE by DE. That's it. So from the three, what you wanted to find out, you select the two ratios. So here you are going to find CE, so that's what this ratio should be needed, and AB by DC also needed, because AB value we know and as well as DC value also we know. That's what you select these two only out of three. Then you just apply the values. AB is given 360 centimeters. Everything is in centimeters. 3.6 meters, 360 centimeters. And the girl height DC 90 centimeters. And now BE means the total. So already BC 480. BC mean the girl traveled from the foot of a lamp to the and one place, that is C. Understand? So that is 480 centimeters. We calculated with the help of a distance equal to speed into time formula. So 480, and this is what? X. So 480 plus X by, this is what? CE. CE means what? We know that X. Yeah. If you go with a cross multiplication, 4 into X, 4X, 480 plus X, just do that, 4X minus X, 3X, and 480, and your job will become very easy now. I hope you could understand this problem.